In 2013, Voyager 1 marked a major milestone by becoming the first human-made spacecraft to enter interstellar space, achieving this feat 36 years after it left Earth. At that time, the spacecraft was situated 14.5 billion miles away from our planet, meaning that messages from Voyager 1 took approximately 20 hours and 33 minutes to be transmitted and received. Initially, NASA experts did not anticipate that the Voyager 1 spacecraft would continue its space exploration for over half a year. However, it greatly exceeded expectations, having identified over 500 dark objects in space. This discovery has sparked the attention of Joe Rogan, a renowned podcaster, who joined the conversation to explore the intriguing aftermath of this extraordinary finding. What are these mysterious objects? Could they be connected to extraterrestrial phenomena or perhaps the remnants of a failing spacecraft? Let's dive into how Voyager 1 came to detect 500 dark objects in space and examine the groundbreaking revelations that Joe Rogan has shared. Have you ever wondered why, despite the vastness of the universe, we still haven't found tangible evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations? This dilemma is known as the Fermi paradox, a long-standing mystery that has intrigued scientists for many years. However, a recent breakthrough in space exploration has stunned the scientific community, possibly shedding light on this age-old question. Joe Rogan, a well-known podcaster and commentator on extraterrestrial life, has delved into this topic by hosting experts like David Grush, discussing the possibilities of alien life and advanced civilizations. Now, new data from Voyager 1 could potentially help answer whether or not we are truly alone in the universe. Buckle up as Joe Rogan explains why Voyager 1's discovery of 500 objects in space might be a game-changer and what this could mean for us, no matter where we are on Earth. But before we dive into the exciting part, let's take a moment to understand the incredible history behind Voyager 1's mission. It's astonishing to think that our beautiful planet, with its vast oceans and towering mountains, is just a tiny part of a much greater universe. Scientists have pondered this for ages, but it wasn't until the late 1970s that NASA made a breakthrough in determining the scale of our cosmic neighborhood. The discovery began with the alignment of the 4 largest planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. During this planetary alignment, a graduate student named Gary Flandreau, who worked part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory while studying at Caltech, made a groundbreaking observation. By carefully calculating the orbital paths of these massive planets, Flandreau discovered an extraordinary phenomenon that would reshape space exploration. Flandreau's revelation was nothing short of revolutionary. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, astronomers observed that the 4 giant planets moved in a perfect sequence, almost like beads on an enormous cosmic necklace, with Earth nestled between them. This discovery sparked excitement at NASA because it presented a unique opportunity to improve space travel by utilizing gravitational assists from the giant planets. These assists could provide the propulsion necessary for a spacecraft to propel itself forward, as though tethered by invisible cosmic strings. Flandreau's theory suggested that with the help of these planetary boosts, the flight time from Earth to Neptune could be reduced from an arduous 30 years to just 12 years. However, there was a catch. This extraordinary alignment only happens once every 175 years. Recognizing the rare nature of this cosmic alignment, NASA decided to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As a result, 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were constructed with identical designs and missions, both launched 15 days apart in the summer of 1977. These twin pioneers were designed to explore the secrets of the outer planets and beyond. Voyager 1, launched on September 5, 1977, became an iconic part of the Voyager program, symbolizing humanity's insatiable curiosity and quest for knowledge. For nearly 50 years, this extraordinary spacecraft has continued its journey, transmitting valuable data back to Earth through NASA's Deep Space Network, serving as our eyes and ears in the vast expanse of space. As we marvel at Voyager 1's incredible journey, it's important to note that it remains surprisingly close to Earth, relatively speaking. As of August 2023, the spacecraft's observatory is located an astounding 14.5 billion miles away. Designed and built by the brilliant minds at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and launched by a Titan III rocket, Voyager 1 began its mission from Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Now, let's delve deeper into the fascinating details of this remarkable mission and uncover the mystery behind the 500 dark objects floating in space. What are these objects, and what has Joe Rogan revealed about them on his podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience? Imagine a rocket venturing into the unknown, exploring the boundlessness of deep space. That's exactly what Voyager 1 is doing. This spacecraft, now 14.5 billion miles from Earth, offers an extraordinary perspective on the universe. To put this distance in context, Voyager 1 has traveled approximately 3.6 times the distance from Earth to the Sun in a single year. However, Voyager 1's significance goes far beyond speed, distance, and longevity. It has made a groundbreaking discovery: the detection of 500 dark objects scattered across the vast expanse of space. This finding is unlike anything scientists have encountered before, adding another layer of mystery and intrigue to the cosmos. You may be wondering how a spacecraft launched in 1977 is still operational and sending back such remarkable data. The secret lies in the ingenuity and exceptional engineering behind Voyager 1. One of the key factors contributing to its longevity is its redundant computer systems. Both Voyager 1 and its twin, Voyager 2, are equipped with multiple subsystems, including the Flight Data Subsystem and the Attitude and Articulation Control Subsystem, AACS. This redundancy ensures that the spacecraft can continue functioning even if one of its systems fails, thereby extending its mission life. The spacecraft is designed with distributed computer systems, including 3 redundant computers, each performing specific functions to ensure the mission's success. If one system fails, the others can seamlessly pick up the task, minimizing the risk of mission failure. To further maximize Voyager 1's longevity, NASA engineers carefully planned the spacecraft's energy use. Given the spacecraft's immense distance from the Sun, harnessing solar power is a significant challenge. As a result, the mission team had to come up with creative solutions to optimize energy consumption. For instance, non-essential systems, such as heaters for certain scientific instruments, were powered down to conserve energy. This careful management of power resources ensures that essential systems continue to function, even as the spacecraft moves farther from the Sun. Over the years, engineers have refined power management strategies, allowing Voyager 1 to continue transmitting valuable data despite the challenges of deep space. The spacecraft's design also includes several key scientific instruments that have helped unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Initially, Voyager 1 carried a variety of functional instruments, but only 4 remain operational today. One of the critical instruments on board is the Low-Energy Charged Particle Instrument, which measures the number and speed of low-energy particles, helping scientists study cosmic radiation. Another vital tool is the Cosmic Ray Instrument, which detects high-energy particles from the Sun and other cosmic sources. These instruments have provided essential data for understanding the protective bubble formed by the Sun's influence and tracking when Voyager 1 entered interstellar space. As Voyager 1 continues its journey, its instruments continue to provide valuable data on the plasma waves in space, magnetic fields, and even the plasma environment itself. The spacecraft's plasma wave subsystem has proven especially important for studying plasma waves and understanding how they change as they travel through space. The magnetometer, originally designed to study the magnetic fields of outer planets, now helps scientists investigate the transition zone between the inner and outer layers of the solar system. This transition zone is where the Sun's magnetic field interacts with magnetic materials from the Sun's surface, offering insights into the evolution of planetary magnetic fields. Despite the loss of some instruments, Voyager 1 continues to play a vital role in our understanding of the universe. NASA has also introduced additional power sources to extend the spacecraft's life. Both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 are equipped with radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, which use the heat generated by the decay of plutonium-238 to produce power. However, as the plutonium-238 continues to decay, it will eventually cease to generate power, likely around 2025, which could signal the end of the spacecraft's mission. In November 2017, engineers activated Voyager 1's backup engines after the primary engines began to degrade. This action allowed the spacecraft to re-establish contact with Earth after nearly 4 years of silence. The backup engines are capable of repositioning the spacecraft's antenna to maintain communication with Earth, even after extended periods of dormancy. Despite the spacecraft's distant location and weak signal, Voyager 1's remarkable performance continues to defy expectations. When it sends signals back to Earth, the power of its transmission has decreased by 20 billion times compared to the power of a digital watch battery. With this background in mind, let's turn our attention to the 500 mysterious dark objects recently discovered by Voyager 1. Initially, the data sent back to Earth appeared distorted, leading to confusion among scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. However, after careful analysis, it was discovered that the anomaly was caused by the Attitude and Articulation Control Subsystem, AACS, which had been using an incorrect computer for several years. NASA engineers quickly resolved the issue and restored the accuracy of the telemetry data, but the mystery surrounding the dark objects remains. Could these objects be related to extraterrestrial life, or are they merely natural phenomena that we have yet to fully understand? As research continues, the quest for answers continues to captivate the scientific community, as we venture further into the unknown. As NASA scientists continue to analyze the data from Voyager 1, the mystery of the 500 dark objects discovered in space remains a subject of intense fascination and speculation. While the object's exact nature is still unclear, the discovery has opened up several intriguing possibilities. These dark objects could represent something entirely new and previously unknown to science. They may be remnants of ancient cosmic structures, interstellar dust, or even something more profound, like evidence of alien technology or unexplained phenomena. One possibility that has captured the imagination of many is that these objects could be related to extraterrestrial life or advanced civilizations. Some researchers have speculated that these dark objects could be pieces of ancient spacecraft or other forms of technology that have drifted through space for millennia. The notion that we might be encountering relics of extraterrestrial cultures is tantalizing, but it remains an open question. There's also the chance that these objects could be natural phenomena that we simply don't have the tools or understanding to fully comprehend yet. The vastness of space is full of anomalies that challenge our current models of physics and cosmology, and these dark objects could be part of that mystery. Joe Rogan's involvement in discussing these revelations on his podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience, has further amplified interest in the discovery, especially in the context of the Fermi paradox. Rogan has hosted guests like David Grush and other experts who explore the possibility of extraterrestrial life and advanced civilizations existing beyond Earth. His discussions often touch on the philosophical implications of humanity's place in the universe and why, despite the vastness of space, we have yet to make definitive contact with other intelligent beings. Could the discovery of these 500 dark objects from Voyager 1 offer some answers to this age-old question? Could they be a clue that extraterrestrial life is not only possible, but that we may one day uncover its traces? In a sense, the Fermi paradox asks why, given the high probability of other civilizations existing in the universe, we have yet to find any conclusive evidence of them. Voyager 1's detection of 500 mysterious objects could be a significant part of the puzzle. It raises the possibility that the signs of alien life or technology may be out there, waiting to be discovered, but perhaps in forms we don't yet know how to recognize or interpret. It's a thought-provoking idea, one that adds another layer of excitement to the ongoing exploration of space. Regardless of the true nature of these 500 dark objects, Voyager 1's ability to identify them and continue sending data from 14.5 billion miles away is a testament to the incredible engineering and foresight that went into its design. The spacecraft's longevity, even after so many years in space, is a triumph of human ingenuity. Engineers at NASA have continuously adapted to challenges and found ways to keep the mission running, even in the harsh conditions of interstellar space.